Chef Hanna Haar.
Oh my goodness gracious.
And Chef Gustavo Romero. You're also competing against our returning Flavortown champ, Chef Martel Stone.
The champ is here. This is great.
Today, you have to make crazy, fantastic, delicious Flavortown level dishes featuring nuts and being nutty all day long. Our current restaurant row now features seafood carts, our very own fish shacks on Main Street, serving up fast and fresh street food seafood. Of course, you gotta have a neighborhood pizzeria, the only dine-in pie shop with a meat lovers and a nut lovers pizza. The Corner Deli, love to see donkey sauce in a sign. The deli with the best quality meats, cheeses, breads, and nuts this side of New York.
We have to incorporate nuts into whatever dishes we're going to be cooking in whatever restaurant that is chosen. So I'm really thinking, what can you do with nuts at a deli?
And our gleaming new steakhouse, featuring the top cuts of beef from perfectly marbled ribeyes to ginormous porterhouse steaks and probably some nuts. Question is, who's gonna get to choose the first restaurant? And let's decide that with a little test of your nut cracking ability.
Oh my gosh.
Are you good at cracking nuts?
That's fine.
Maybe?
Crack a few skulls.
You're so tough. You must crack walnuts, placing the meat and only the meat in the bowl as you go. The chef who cracks the most ounces of nuts in 1 minute is gonna take control of Flavortown in the first round. 3, 2, and 1. That's it.
I made a mess.
Okay, Chef Hanna, 0.9 ounces.
Okay,
Chef Martel, 1 ounce.
Okay.
close.
Chef Gustavo, 1.3 ounces. Congratulations, you take control of Flavortown.
Good job.
Nicely done. Chef, let's talk about this. You get to choose the Flavortown restaurant where everybody is gonna cook at in this round.
Let's go to the seafood carts.
Hey, all right.
You want seafood carts?
Yes, I do.
Let's go to the seafood carts.
Okay.
Chefs, welcome to our food cart corner, where we have 3 seafood carts here, all serving up a hearty handheld lunch.
Hearty dishes. Needs to be indulgent and over the top. Very hard to do using seafood.
And they're featuring amaretti cookies.
26 minutes. Chef Hanna, what do you got for me?
Something you just want to stuff into your face. I'm thinking sandwich. I'm thinking almond-crusted fish sandwich. It's something I love to eat out at Montauk.
What fish is it?
It's a rockfish.
Rockfish, got it. Chef Martel, how's my champ doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great right now. I need to prove that first win wasn't a fluke. So I'm gonna do a little scallop pincho along with a crispy base scallop that's crusted with the amaretto cookies and a little Cajun seasoning. Also, for this dish, I wanna do crab gravy. Crab gravy will be right at the base because in my mind, right, indulgent, I want something that you can kind of dip and eat. I'm using the amaretti cookie inside of this actual crab gravy. This crab gravy is a riff on an etouffee. I'm going New Orleans, Cajun, Creole.
Chef, what do we have in this hearty handheld?
We're gonna have a little sandwich, chef.
A little sandwich?
A little big
I don't want
sandwich.
little, I said hearty.
Oh, it was big.
Okay, what's on the menu?
I want to do a po' boy, so I want to try and get a breading with these cookies. I love shrimp, and then I know a good shrimp po' boy slaps. We have this seasonal restaurant in Minneapolis. They only open for the summer, and then they have these delicious po' boys. And then, you know, every time that I go and eat one of those po' boys, like I always imagine what I would do different. So this is my chance. And then I need something with a spice. These are very sweet, so we have a sauce in Mexico that is called encacahuatado. So I'm gonna try to make a version of that.
Hearty and handheld. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're done, stop. Ooh, Chef Martel right to the end.
Hello, chefs.
Hi, Chef.
Hey, Chef.
I made for you today a shrimp po' boy. We got some very funny cookies. They're a little sweet and nutty, so I wanted to incorporate it into the breading for the po' boy. We did a little spicy mayo. I was trying to use the spice to balance the sweetness from the cookie. And then I also made an encacahuatado sauce, which is a version of a short mole.
The shrimp were perfectly cooked.
Thank you.
I think the amaretti plays a great foil with the natural sweetness of shrimp. The chipotle mayo is banging. This sauce is great. I get nuts here and stuff like that. Like, you killed it. I want this sauce on the sandwich. I love the filling to bread ratio,
Yep.
right? But we're talking handheld. I can't hold it.
Yeah.
I can't pick it up.
I made a almond-crusted sandwich with our beautiful rockfish. I put into the breading for that fish the amaretti cookies and almonds. Then on top of that, we have a cabbage slaw with some cucumbers, a little bit of kimchi in there for a little bit of a kick.
Ooh.
Nutty on the butter, nutty on the brown butter on the buns were toasted. Nutty, nutty, nutty.
Did you just say that because you used brown butter, that counts towards the nuttiness? Because I think that that's totally true.
Thank you.
And I love that. Very sharp, chef.
Thank you.
Very, very sharp.
Thank you.
You know it's good when both of us just shut up.
So this sandwich was inspired by one of the messiest times I had in New Orleans with my wife. The sandwich has pincho-style scallops. I also have fried scallops that were crusted with the almond cookies, pine nuts, as well as fresh almonds. On the side, I have a little crab gravy. The crab gravy was thickened with the almond cookies as well as the pine nuts.
And am I supposed to put this on this or this on this?
It is a choose your own adventure.
Chef, this was delicious. I love the sweetness of the bay scallops. Such a great choice. The breading on it, it really highlights the amaretti. I can actually taste it on the scallop.
This is voodoo.
Yeah.
This is crazy, crazy, crazy good.
But one chef gets the 5-star dish, wins $5,000 going towards their final paycheck, and control of Flavortown. And that will go to Chef Hanna.
What?
Congratulations.
Oh my gosh.
Congratulations.
I cannot believe it. Really cool.
5-star dish.
Wow.
And you have banked $5,000 going to your paycheck that you only collect if you win.
Okay.
Now, you two. Someone gets a 4-star, someone gets a 3-star. One chef will stay in the competition and battle the 5-star Hanna, and one chef, their shift will be over. The chef with the 3-star dish is Chef Martel. Chef Hanna, you got the 5-star review. You have earned the right to choose the next restaurant.
And I'm a Long Island girl, and you know, we love our delis, so I kind of have to go with the deli.
What's on the menu?
Oh, chefs, on today's menu, we have a reinvented deli favorite.
Ooh.
We also want to impress the judges while earning bonus money on deli item upsells. What do we got?
We have 3 opportunities on our upsells for you. We have chocolate-covered almonds for $2,000, bagel chips for $3,000, and pickled herring for $5,000.
Chef Hanna, okay, so you have some slab bacon and some onions going in. What are you making us, Chef?
I'm gonna make a yassified French dip. So I'm going to make like a really sexy sauce with like some caramelized onions, a little bit of fat, something really nice and unctuous to dip that into. Got some nice hearty bread, and I'm gonna make a fun sauce with that pickled herring. I wanna go crazy, I don't know.
Chef Gustavo, what's the menu?
I think I'm gonna do a version of chicken parmesan sandwich. Chicken parmesan, I feel like it's a staple in a lot of delis, especially Italian delis. Well, I'm reinventing this sandwich egg, and I'm gonna make a quick spicy tomato sauce to put on top, and I'm gonna finish it with a little bit of pepper jack because, you know, I'm Mexican, so I gotta put a little bit of spice.
For today, we have a French dip sandwich. So we have some really nice, beautiful toasted bread, some really nice rare roast beef sliced paper thin, nutty provolone cheese. I have added in some of that pickled herring into our horseradish cream sauce on top of the sandwich. And I threw in the chocolate-covered almonds into that shield.
That's delicious. This is an incredible sandwich.
All right, I have a chicken parmesan sandwich. I have a background in Italian food. I actually finished culinary school in Italy. So I use bagel chips in the breading, and then I use the chocolate-covered almonds on the tomato sauce.
You didn't take the herring bait.
I did not.
I will tell you that the chicken was perfectly cooked for me.
Thank you.
Love your sauce.
Good.
The chilies are great, and I think you need that acid here.
What I love about this sandwich is that you were true to the chicken parm paradigm, but you made it your own.
The chef that gets the 5-star dish and will go totally nuts, along with the residents of Flavortown, goes to, congratulations, Chef Gustavo. Congratulations. Congratulations. Well done, Chef. $14,000.